Experts say that Minnesota is approaching a cliff when it comes to paying for our state's infrastructure. A new report released today shows our roads, highways, and transit systems are in desperate need of updating and overhauling. But our Steve Tellier shows us that the path to improvement is littered with pitfalls and potholes.
Our Minnesota has turned into the land of 10,000 potholes.
And winter isn't only to blame. Minnesota's transportation system is deteriorating, and it needs dollars.
The state at this point is not able to move forward with many critically needed projects that are very vital to this region.
TRIP, a national advocacy group, rated 20 projects deemed critical to the Twin Cities Metro, according to the availability of funding for each. 1 received a green light, 5 were yellow lighted, 14 were rated red lights.
For the region to move forward, these critical projects need to go from red lights to green lights.
Redecking and repairing the 35W bridge in Burnsville over the Minnesota River, $100 million. Pavement repairs on 94 between Minneapolis and St. Paul, $300 million. The Southwest Light Rail project, $1.5+ billion. The report also urged an increase in funding for simple routine maintenance on roads across Minnesota. We added up all the projects that report listed as critical for the state of Minnesota, and the price tag is a minimum of $4.28 billion. This all sounds great, but where does the money come from?
The money comes from the gas tax.
Elle Tinklenberg, a former transportation commissioner, says Minnesota is in a state of denial.
We need to have a steady increase in that gas tax so that we can keep up with the maintenance of our infrastructure.
An increase in the gas tax in the current political climate, what are the chances that happens?
Well, that's the issue, and it's very small, unfortunately.
But he says change can happen if leaders push for it.
How many reports do we have to see before we really take seriously the fact that we are falling desperately behind in the maintenance and repair of our infrastructure?
Steve Tellier, 5 Eyewitness News.
And MnDOT points out, 2 years ago, a committee found that over the next 20 years, Minnesota is facing a $12 billion transportation funding gap. That's just for roads and bridges. We should note that advocacy group represents companies that work on transportation projects.